the time has come for me to leave uni. I'm still here for another week, but I'm not in my house, so I'm leaving next weekend rather than this weekend. So I'm leaving the 2nd of July, but this is really going to take the video by the time we get around to editing it, because I've got to edit all the other videos before I edit this one. So we'll see what day I actually upload it, but it's the 23rd of July, June. 23rd of June now. But yeah, basically because everyone's going, I'm also going to be going, but gradually. So I'm going to go and live with my boyfriend for a week, because I don't want to be in the house by myself, and we've got some plans of like things that we haven't done in Bournemouth yet that we still want to do. He's leaving the same day as me, so it kind of all worked out very well. But as you can see behind me, I have a lot of things on my walls. I also have a lot in my wardrobe, and I have a lot in my chest of drawers, so I have a lot to clear out. So I'm gonna go over to his in like 2 hours, 3 hours, something like that, and in that time I need to pack for his for the week. Hopefully maybe pack up my clothes. I would like to get my wardrobe done if nothing else, and I also need to sort my laundry out because I've just done a wash, which is down there. I'm gonna try and pack up some today, pack up some on Sunday because I'm coming back on Sunday because I've got a yoga class, and then I'm like officially leaving on the 2nd, like I said, and so the big pack up will be then, so I'll document it then as well. Lots to document, lots to video, but I thought if you saw me moving, maybe it'd be fun to see me move out, I don't know. First on the agenda is sorting out my clothes, so I need to put that laundry away first, I think, and then I can think about planning out my outfits for the coming week. Please also ignore the state of my room. I'm packing. We'll use that as the excuse for why it's such a mess. Definitely isn't, but we'll say that's why. Right, here's the bag. I think I may have to refine what I've put in here, but I've got most of the clothes for next week, I think. I've got a couple items that are in my wash downstairs, which I need to dry. But other than that, I think I'm pretty much sorted for this. I might get one more jumper. And the Santa hat is because we are doing we're doing halfway Christmas because on Saturday it's going to be the 25th of June, so obviously that's 6 months until Christmas, so we're doing like halfway Christmas. That's why I've got the Santa hat. I'm just going to plod away at this. It's not very interesting for me to film, so I'll just update you once I have got all my outfits together. This is what we're working with. I think it's done apart from my black wash, so time to tackle this and that. There we go, there's most of the wardrobe in there. These are my boyfriend's clothes, so that's fine. And then I've just got my jackets, and then this dress, and I put aside a couple other clothes there. Ignore all of that, it's like fancy dress stuff that was in here, but yeah, all of them. I have a like ABBA themed like party on Saturday, and I have no idea what I'm gonna wear, so I've picked out a couple of things that I think I could probably get away with wearing, and then we will go from there. But there you go, there's the wardrobe pretty much empty. So now to tackle these, but first I'm gonna check my wash because I pray it's just filled up, which is helpful, but this drawer is done. These are just some gym bits left over because I've got yoga on Sunday, and so I need to pick an outfit, and so I've left a couple bits, and then empty and empty. So that's that entire thing done. I guess I'll pack that away Sunday morning after yoga. This is mostly done. I can now move these out because I've got another bag out, so I can move them, and I need to put those clothes in there as well. That's all done. So I think my next task is, I think I'm gonna take that wall down while I eat my dinner and watch a bit of YouTube. And then I think I'll call it a day there.
I got a great job, that's why I do a great job. You don't get your money long by taping up those pay stubs. Download Disney movies is what they call trying to save up. I'm gonna hit the bank.
Ta-da! There we go. It's all been taken down, which is very sad. I've got the little pile just in case I want to use them again, but yeah, it looks very empty now. I'm just like, I can't even imagine what that wall's gonna look like, having seen that one. It's gonna look so weird. So it's Thursday, we've just come back because we're actually going to a ballroom dancing class in town. And my house is closer to town, so we've come back here to get changed and get ready for that. Anyway, while I'm here, sorry if you can hear me, I'm eating a polo while saying this, but I've begun taking off the like stickers on my mirror. But as you can see, it's not really gone very well. I wanted to try and give this away on Olio, but also, unless I can get the stickers off, I don't know anyone that's going to want it. So, we shall see. But I've also begun taking off my pictures. So yeah, I'm just trying to take all of this stuff down and try and get as much done as possible off this wall before we leave for dance. So yeah, I'll update you on my progress of how much I get removed off this wall before we leave. I don't think it's going to be much, but I'm going to give it my best shot.
You ain't know. I've really been on my lonesome for a large sum of my life. I've been feeling great till I blend in with the sky. Take my time, I'ma show you how he really on my side. Lying on me too long, it ain't nothing to my pride. Told her I'ma fucking make it and I put it on my life. Got my head up in the clouds, I was brought up all right.
I think I've got pyjamas in here. Oh, I do. Oh, I've got loads of pyjamas in here. This is the state of the room so far. So we've taken everything off this wall. I need to list the mirror on Olio, like I was saying. And then now I'm going to tackle taking down the ivy, I think, and the fairy lights. I had a bunch of boxes under my bed, as you can see. And so we're all just like packing everything into boxes. Do you want to be it, Dad? We're packing everything into the boxes that I've kept. So I'm going to try and put that in there. Didn't take up a lot of space. But I've done all my clothes. So they're all in this bag, and that one there. Oh, and that one. That's a lot of clothes. But yeah, that's the progress so far.
I got a great job, that's why I do a great job. You don't get your money long by taping up those pay stubs. Download Disney movies is what they call trying to save up.
That's my new tripod. We have, oh god, it looks so big. I've got a lot of sunglasses. Do I wear any of them? No. Only some points. So we've taken down all the ivy and my lights. And so now it's giving very much prison cell aesthetic, but that was kind of the big task. So now it's just taking little bits out of the drawers. There's quite a lot in those drawers, so it might take a while, but other than that, getting there.
Watch my temper, please don't tempt me. Filling up with prana, all them drugs leave you empty. You ain't know how long I spent alone just to figure out my soul. You ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know, you ain't know.
This is it for the room. We've basically done everything apart from the computer, but all of this is getting put in the car now, so most of the stuff, as I will have shown you, is out in the hallway. Quite a lot, so it'll be interesting to see how much we can fit in. But anything we don't fit in, we will come back next week, because we're coming back for an open day because my brother's looking at doing the same course that I've just done. So we're gonna come back next weekend anyway, just for the day. So anything we don't pick up, like we're not taking my pots and pans or anything from the kitchen back. So we're gonna take all of that, and then anything from my room that we can't bring back, we're gonna bring back then. But hopefully you can fit most of it in the car. We have reached max capacity. Nothing else is fitting, and we've got it in the roof box. Like I said, I brought and have bought a lot of stuff over these past 2 years. So I think the plan is that we are going to come back tomorrow as well as next weekend. So I'll catch you tomorrow for the continuation of this saga. And I'm gonna have to find somewhere to store all of that when I get home, but that's homie's problem.
By taping up those pay stubs. Download Disney movies is what they call trying to save up. I'm gonna hit the bank and it's feeling like a layoff. And fuck your feelings now, I ain't seen no ceilings. I've been building since a fucking child. Back then now that like I made it just a fucking smile. Know the come up coming soon. I've come to the conclusion that I'm about to blow. And I know, hard time, let it go.
Hello, it's day 2 of moving out. And today we have just put all of the things in the car, as you would have seen, that we packed up yesterday. But today's task is packing up my kitchen stuff, because we didn't even touch that yesterday because there was just no room. And as well as packing up my kitchen stuff, we also need to do a bit of a clean of like all my things. So like in my cupboards, in my drawers, I've already cleaned the freezers, so that's fine. But like my kitchen cupboards, my kitchen drawers, and my bedroom and my bathroom, I need to clean. Because the bathroom that I used was kind of like my one. It didn't have a mirror. It literally was like the smallest bathroom in the house. Had a mirror and a sink. Did the job for me, but no one else really used it. So I need to make sure that I clean that. We've got 2 of these. Put all of my kitchen stuff in. So that is what I'm gonna get cracking on now.
Too long and ain't nothing to my pride. Told her I'ma fucking make it and I put it on my life. Got my head up in the clouds, I was brought up all right.
Scrap that, because I just found a bunch of packing. Sorry, you can't even see my head. I just found a bunch of like packing materials, so like bubble wrap and like other bits that I clearly saved from when I moved in. And I was just like kind of leaving it up to just sheer luck that my plates and stuff wouldn't smash. So I put them all in together. So now I'm gonna take them all out and then put them back in, but I'm gonna wrap them up.
Gray skies raise me, what is love? Save me this all my life, this all my life. Gray skies raise me, what is love? Save me this all my life. He on my side. I got a great job, that's why I do a great job. You don't get your money long by taping up those pay stubs. Download Disney movies is
Just
what
like
they call
that, we have moved everything out. I think, as you can see, that's pretty much everything. I'm really praying that I've not forgotten anything. I remember feeling like this when we moved out of Bailey Point and being like, I don't know if I've got everything, because obviously, like, especially with a house, it's kind of different. I feel like to the apartment. Why is it blurry? I feel like it's kind of different to when we lived in the flat, because we lived in the flat for only end of September till like end of March, so it wasn't very long, so I didn't have a lot of time to move all my stuff in, whereas I've lived here for 2 years, so all my stuff is not only in my room but it's all over the house. We've moved all of my food out, all the stuff in the kitchen, all the things from my room, all the things from the bathroom, so that's pretty much it. So now I just have to find a home for it back home. But yeah, been a big job, but it's all clean. Everything's been cleaned out as well, so yeah, a success.
Watch my temper, please don't tempt me. Filling up with prana, all them drugs leave you empty. You ain't know how long I spent alone just to figure out my soul. You ain't know, 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 you